Political analyst Professor Antonio Contreras has urged Filipinos to unite amidst the recent tensions in the West Philippine Sea, following an altercation between the Chinese Coast Guard and the Philippine Navy at the Ayungin Shoal, which resulted in a Philippine Navy soldier losing a thumb. Contreras criticized Filipinos who side with China and blamed the Philippine Navy, labeling them shameless and urging not to gaslight the incident. He asserted the real cowards are those who fail to stand up for their country, pointing to videos showing the Chinese Coast Guard's aggression.
Tayong diferensya sa politika. Ngunit sana huwag nating itaya ang ating kahihiyan at ang ating kinabukasan dahil lamang sa kung sino ang ating pinupuon. Sapagkat sinasabi ko po sa inyo, itong mga pinupuon natin, mawawala din yan sa politika. These political patrons that we are idolizing, to whom we have idolatrous relationships, that we almost worship, will just leave. Some of them will soon die. Their political careers might begun. Pero ang baho ng inyong kahihiyan ay hindi mabubura.